Science 4, Quarter 3, Third Periodic Test Reviewer, Version 2. Read each question carefully and choose the letter of the correct answer. Which of the following is an example of a force that can change the shape of an object? What happens when you push a rigid object like a metal box with a strong force? Which of the following materials will most likely bend when a force is applied? How can you change the speed of a moving object? What is the name of the force that pulls objects toward the earth? Which equipment can you use to measure the distance an object moves? If you want to measure the time it takes for an object to move, which tool should you use? Which of the following is an example of an object that is not moving? The speed of a car is 60 km per hour. What can you conclude? When an object moves in a straight line at a constant speed, we say its speed is. Which of the following shows the fastest speed? What is the name of the force that resists the motion of objects? What happens when you pull a rubber band? What energy is produced when you rub your hands together quickly? Which of the following energy sources can be found in the sun? Which of the following objects can be affected by a magnet without touching it? If you place a magnet near a piece of metal, what will most likely happen? When a magnet attracts an object, this is an example of. What is an example of an object that can produce sound energy? What happens when light from the sun hits your skin? Which of the following is an example of an object that emits light energy? What happens to the shape of a balloon when you squeeze it? Which of the following changes the direction of a moving object? What type of energy does a moving car produce? What is an example of an object that can affect other objects even without touching them? How can you increase the speed of a bicycle? Which of the following can change the shape of a soft object, like a dough? What happens when you stretch a rubber band too far? What is the effect of a loud noise on your ears? How can you slow down a moving toy car? Which of the following is an example of a change caused by energy? What happens when you place two magnets with like poles facing each other? What energy is created when you strike a drum with a stick? What type of energy is produced when a lamp is turned on? When you are at home, which of the following uses heat energy? What happens to a plastic spoon when you place it near a magnet? When you push an object, what can you change about it? Which of the following is an example of an object that uses light energy? Which force can change the speed and direction of a car? What type of energy can you feel when you stand near a campfire?